What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. I know it's been a minute but I'm back, man. We actually got some work going on today. Show you guys what we got going on. We got some work going on with the rear end. If you seen the last video, I know you seen there's something going on, so here we go. We're working on the rear end now. Again, about to take the these drums off, and you seen the last video we putting on the disc. So you know, y'all guys just stay tuned. Alright, so yeah, pretty much just script that down. We got it down. I'm gonna take the e-brake off, take the backing off, and get ready to do the other side, and then try to get the axle out. So stay tuned. E-brake done. Gotta work on the other side. Alright, so yeah, YouTube, we back. This a whole nother day. That noise you hear in the background, that's my fan. I got my fan on. It's hot in the garage, but I'm gonna just show y'all what I got going on so far. Hold on. Alright, so yeah. Yes, let's see here. The axles are out. I had unscrewed the cover, took the bolt out in the middle, took the pin out there, hold it all together, took the C-clips out, and then removed the axles. So after that, I have to remove the back covers on each side, remove the brake lines, and then after I do that, I'll start the process of getting ready to put the disc brakes on. So I'll cut y'all off and cut y'all back on in a minute. It's gonna be more than you know, a few days, because it's something I gotta work on when I get time, but it all come together, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright. YouTube. This a whole nother day. I don't know what day I'm on, but we still rocking, man. So I'm gonna just let y'all know what I got going on. Hold on. So yeah, I took the rear end, the backing plate off. Trying to get the backing plate off. I got them off. When you're doing the rear end on the G body, these doggone small bolts down here, the bolt holes right here, I'm sorry, right there, it's gonna be 2 bolts on each side. They be breaking. They break. And you have this one, the third one. They break. So I end up having to drill through them, man. So that's what I've been doing. Drilling through them, you know what I'm saying, to get them to do the setup. So I got those drilled. I gotta drill out the other side, and we'll finally be able to set up, man. It take a minute. It took a minute to do that. Like, it really took a minute, bro. I had to find the right drill bits. You know what I'm saying? I had to heat it up. So I heat one arm up with the torch. You feel me? Just a lot going on, man. But we gon' at the end. We gon' be looking right at the end though. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'll cut y'all back on when I get a little further. Alright. Okay, so yeah, we are back. You hear me? We back. Let me show you what I got going on right now. So yeah, see that? Got the bracket on. The back plate is a shim in there. Behind this, you put your screws in. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, focus. The light keep going off. Anyway, you put the screws in. And you get to it, man. I'm gonna tighten all this up. You go your other bracket for the caliper. I had to end up grinding these 2 out. Like I said, I had to grind them out so these bolts can fit in there. But we good. I had a party with that, boy. That took a minute. But we good, man. I'm tighten all this up. Try to put the axles back in and go from there, man. So let me tighten this up. Alright, so yeah, that mug is in there, you hear me? It's in there. We're gonna see what's going on with it. There you got your bolts, brackets locked up. Man, I can't wait to get these disc brakes on here, boy. So happy I'll be able to hit the streets, hey. But hey man, I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. Let me handle this. Alright, yeah. Got the axles in there, you hear me? We're doing alright so far, we doing good. Tell me what we look like, tell me what we're looking like. Can you see the vision? Can you see the vision? You know what I'm saying? Comment below. If you got disc brakes, let me know. We put them on ourselves though. What you guys see up under here? See what I got going on. See that brand new axle? I mean brand new carrier. Brand new everything on the inside. I ain't even done no miles in it. I had to take it apart. Sad about that, but this is what we got going on. I'm gonna clean all this gasket, make around it, and then I'm gonna do another one myself on the case, and we're gonna close it up, fill it up, do all that. Still gotta do the lines. Still gotta do these old brake lines. Take them off, put the new lines on. Gotta find somewhere to weld the little tabs. But we here, man. Y'all see what we got going on, Mr. G.D.I.Y. I wish you could see the old inside. I should have showed y'all. I put them C-clips that's on the end of them axles. They gold or bronze, whatever you want to call it. You feel? Yes, sir. It's the little things. Let's get it though, man. Alright, YouTube, check it out. Let me show y'all what I got going on. We probably about 80-85% done. We got almost there. We got a little more left, but I'm gonna show you where we at right now. Alright, so as you can see, I got the rotor on, got the caliper on, brakes on, you feel me? Everything on is tight, good clearance on it, we good. When y'all putting on these rear disc brake upgrades, sometimes, you know, it ain't gonna automatically fit. Like my rotors didn't fit because well, they didn't fit all the way because I forgot I had upgraded my studs a little bit, so I had to drill the holes, make them wider, you know what I'm saying, so it can fit my bolts. I just opened it just a little bit, but we was golden after that. Everything is good, they on. All I gotta do is do the other side, hook up the brake lines, put the cover back on, put fluid in, bleed the brakes, and it's a wrap, man. We almost there. Like I said, we almost there. I say that's 85%. We about 85%, man. And boy, I can't wait. I'm gonna be so happy, boy. Oh God, it's been a long journey. Not even just putting it together. The putting together part is easy, man, but just dealing with these brakes, dog, them drums, hey man, they'll drain you, bro. If you got drums on your G.D.I.Y and you can afford to upgrade to this, man, just do it, boy, because you'll waste your money messing with them drums, dog. Just go on upgrade it, or go on upgrade it, find you a kit, man. But yeah, so I'm gonna work on this last little bit. I'm not sure if I'm gonna finish right at this moment, but the next time I cut y'all back on, I'll be finishing, you know, finishing it up. So, alright. YouTube, after days and days and days of fighting, man, we are finally done. Let me show y'all the finished product, what we got. Alright, Had to get this brake cable, emergency brake. You see it hooked up right there. Boom. It's just a little loose. I get to tighten it up in a minute. But boom, got your e-brake together. Going all the way back. You got your. It's a little dark on this side, but you got your rotors on. With your caliper, your pads, all that. You know what I'm saying? Get up under here. Got the rear end back up. Silicone. So that's gonna be good. All I gotta do is fill it with oil. I'll do that when I get a change. The only thing I didn't get to do was weld them taps in. Right now I'm gonna just probably zip tie them for now until I can get to the shop, get to a shop and get them to weld them in. But they not going nowhere anyway, so you know they got a hook on them. The factory hook will hold them, but I'm gonna eventually get it tapped in when I get a chance. Get it welded on. But you know what I'm saying? Other than that, YouTube, we got it, man. We got it. I'm so glad, man. We got it. Your doggone brake thing out. You gotta pull that. We'll fix that. But e-brakes is on. Calipers is on, man. Finally done. Finally done. So yeah, man. That's the end of that. Finally, dog. We'll probably be able to bleed the brakes for sure. It's easy to bleed disc brakes, so we'll bleed the brakes. Get that thing set up, man. Be able to get on the road and do some things. It's been a minute since I drove my car anyway, so we'll be able to do that. But anyway, that's the end of the video, man. I just wanted to let y'all know, if you get a chance to do it, man, it's definitely worth the upgrade. So sometimes them shops get backed up, you don't know where to start, you gotta do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y, and we out. Let's go.